Hello everyone, welcome back, and you're watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Safari browser on iPhone, iPad, iPod touch in iOS 14.7, iOS 15 or any iOS version for fast browsing. This method will help to fix Safari bugs and you can browse faster than before. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, launch settings. Under settings, find and tap on Safari. And under Safari, find and tap on clear history and website data. And a window will appear and we have to tap again clear history and data to confirm the action. After that, tap on advanced and tap on website data on the top of the page. Then also clear the website data. After that, force close the setting app and also force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until Apple logo appears. And if you're using old iPhone, then press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. After the force restart, you can use the Safari browser and you will see the change, the speed, the browsing speed in Safari, and also you can browse faster than before. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.